So for Monstera Monday, we're going to be talking about my Monstera Albo. At one point, I did not want this plant, but over time, I finally decided that I had to get my hands on her because she's absolutely gorgeous. Oh, here she is. I got her in January 2023, so it's been a year since I've gotten her, and I only got her with one leaf, this one right here, and since then, she has pushed out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 leaves. And she is actively pushing out another leaf right here, which is so exciting. I didn't want this plant at first because I don't like that over time the leaves would go brown, but I have had her for an entire year and a little bit of damage has happened since then. And I think it's only because I moved her recently from in front of the window to right here against this wall. She did take a little bit of a hit, hence her leaf turning brown on the edges, but that's only because she's tucked with other plants in this corner. But now that she has adjusted, she pushed out a new leaf. And over here where I have her now, she has a better view of the sky, but she's not getting as many hours of sunlight. But I think that it's okay. Just the fact that there are also nice fenestrations happening and that there's a new leaf pushing. So depending on how that leaf comes out is going to be able to let me know if she's getting a sufficient amount of sunlight being against this wall. I'm extremely impressed by the amount of growth that I've gotten in 1 year. I really thought at one point that I was going to have to spend hundreds of dollars in order to have a really nice albo. But with this amount of progress and this amount of growth, I couldn't be any happier.